In India, people have lot of myths about health. So in this video, I am talking about 10 common myths which people are having in India about health. So let's begin. Number 1. 8 glasses of water. It is important to drink water when you feel thirsty. Those who drink water when they feel thirsty stay hydrated and healthy. Counting of glasses is not at all important while drinking water. Only in some circumstances you need to drink more water, like when you have yellow urine or when you are in extreme hot weather. Otherwise, it is not necessary that you have to drink 8 glasses of water. Eggs affect your heart. This is a myth. Eating 1 or 2 eggs per day will not affect your heart. Yes, yolks do have cholesterol, but if consumed with other fats, neither they are bad nor harmful. In fact, eggs have nutrients like omega and which lower down the risk of heart disease. Cold weather gives you cold. Oh my god, that's a complete myth. People have this myth that if you will stay in cold for a longer period of time, you will fall sick or you will catch cold. But study shows that people who stay more in temperature above freezing had healthy and good immune system. You need multivitamins. Oh my god, this is also a myth. People say that you need multivitamin in order to make up for the nutrients that are not in your body or diet. But researchers don't agree on that. The best way to get enough nutrition is to eat and have balanced diet, not multivitamins. Eat heavy breakfast in order to lose weight. This is also a myth. Having breakfast will surely help you in losing weight, but it is not a guarantee. You have to be a fan of breakfast, still you can lose a lot of weight. In fact, some study shows that one can actually lose weight by skipping breakfast, and that is we generally do in intermittent fasting. Arthritis can be result of cracking joints. No, if you enjoy cracking your knuckles, keep on enjoying. The sound comes from the gas that forms between the bones that actually pop. It does not cause any form of arthritis. An apple a day will keep the doctor away. We have been listening to this proverb since our childhood. No doubt, apples are packed with vitamin C and fiber, but that is not all what you need in order to be healthy. If something major happens in your body, then apple cannot alone protect you. You need other things as well. Milk is good for body. It is good for bones. Since childhood, it is told to us that milk is very much good for bones and overall development of the body. But multiple studies suggest that there is no association between bone density and having milk. Definitely, milk is a good protein source, but it is not that great that people are consuming it in order to understand that it is the ultimate source for protein. Chocolates can cause acne. That's a complete myth. Some research conducted a study in which they counted the zits before eating chocolate and after eating chocolate, and neither the fat nor the chocolate can actually cause acne. It is due to some other reasons. Organic food is more nutritious. Organic food doesn't mean that it is free of pesticides. Farmers who grow organic food are allowed to use chemicals and fertilizers. So eating organic food does not always come with a lot of benefits. It can be harmful also. Do let me know in the comment section if you were already aware about these myths or they were new to you. And if you know any other myths, let me know in the comment section. Keep on enjoying the video. If you really like this video, kindly share, like and subscribe. And hit the bell icon so that next time any video will be uploaded, you will be notified first. Thank you for watching.